So students, now we are going to study oxides. अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा that oxygen combines with various elements forming oxides. So these oxides are the binary compounds of oxygen with elements. Compound of oxygen and an element is known as an oxide. Depending upon the kind of whether it reacts with acid or base, or it possesses acidic nature or basic nature, we have got various categories of oxygen. Like number one is acidic oxides. Acidic oxides. Acidic oxides are the oxides of non-metals. Oxides of non-metals. Like C plus O2 giving CO2. P4 plus O2 giving P4O10. तो P4O10, CO2, SO2, N2O5, ये सब जो है Cl2O7 non-metal oxides है, they are called acidic oxides. Why are they called acidic oxides? Because they combine with water to form acid, like P4O10. P4O10 will combine with water forming H3PO4, phosphoric acid. SO3 combines with H2O giving H2SO4. SO2 combines to give H2SO3. Then you have to see N2O5 combines with, dissolves in H2O to form HNO3. So these oxides dissolve in water to form acids. That is why they are called acidic oxides. And being acidic in nature, these oxides combine with bases to form salt in water. Like you see CO2. CO2 can combine with base like NaOH. It forms Na2CO3 plus H2O. Non-metallic oxide, that is acidic oxides, combine with bases to form salt and water. This is about acidic oxide. Now come to the basic oxides. Basic oxides are the oxides of highly electropositive metals. When oxygen combines with highly electropositive metals, it forms basic oxides like MgO, Na2O, CaO, K2O, BaO2 या BaO. ये सब oxides हैं highly reactive metals के. So they are called basic oxides. Why are they called basic oxides? Because they dissolve in water to form bases. MgO plus H2O gives MgOH whole twice. Na2O plus H2O gives NaOH. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH whole twice. So they are called basic oxides, and being basic in nature, these basic oxides combine with acids to form salt and water. Basic oxides plus acid giving salt plus water. Like CaO can combine with HCl, it will form CaO basic oxide, CaCl2 plus H2O, salt plus water. So ये हुआ basic oxides. Then come to amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxides are the oxides of those elements which form the borderline between metals and non-metals. Means they possess the characteristics of both acidic as well as basic oxides. Like Al2O3, ZNO, SiO2, PbO, ये सब क्या है? एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स. एंड जैसे हमने देखा कि एसिडिक ऑक्साइड कंबाइंस विद बेसिस टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर, बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स कंबाइन विथ वाटर टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड, चूंकि इसमें एसिडिक ऑक्साइड एंड बेसिक ऑक्साइड दोनों के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, सो इट कंबाइंस विथ बोथ एसिड्स एंड बेसिस टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. लाइक यू सी Al2O3, it is an amphoteric oxide. It combines with acid forming salt and water, AlCl3 plus H2O. And Al2O3 also combines with bases like NaOH forming salt NaAlO2 plus H2O. वैसे ही ZNO combines with acid forming ZnCl2 plus H2O, and ZNO also combines with bases NaOH to form Na2ZnO2 sodium zincate plus H2O. So this is amphoteric oxide. Then comes neutral oxides. Neutral oxides, they are those oxides which do not react either with acid or base. They do not react either with acid or base, like N2O, H2O, NO, CO. ये सब जो है ना, ये सब न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड्स कहलाते हैं. They don't react with either acid or bases forming salt. So this is the classification of oxides. One more classification of oxides is done on the basis of oxygen content. Oxygen उसमें कितना है? Classification of oxides on the basis of oxygen content. Oxygen content. Number one is simple oxides या normal oxides. Normal oxides are those oxides which contain O2 minus ion. O2 like Na2O, K2O, Al2O3, ये सब में FeO, Cu2O, CuO, ये सारे नॉर्मल ऑक्साइड्स हैं, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज ऑलवेज इन -2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इन ऑल दीज -2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. Second type of oxides are peroxides. Peroxides are those oxides in which two oxygen atoms are linked by single bond having 2 negative charge. Means O2 2 minus. This is peroxide. Like H2O2, H2O2, then Na2O2. These are peroxides. BaO2, Ba2 plus and O2 2 minus. BaO2. So these are normal oxides, peroxides. Then come to third kind of oxides is your superoxides. Superoxides कैसे होते हैं? Superoxides O2 minus containing O2 minus ion मीन्स दोनों ऑक्सीजन एटम के ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट होंगे ये 0.5 प्लस हाफ होंगे, प्लस हाफ और प्लस हाफ. ठीक है, तो ये हुए सुपर ऑक्साइड्स लाइक KO2, K प्लस O2 माइनस, सॉरी माइनस हाफ मैंने गलती बोला, O2 माइनस KO2. वैसे ही आता है एक सब ऑक्साइड. सब ऑक्साइड मीन्स वेयर द ऑक्सीजन, दोज ऑक्साइड्स in which the oxygen content is less than expected, like your N2O, C3O2, ये सब में ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट it is less than expected. Then last one is mixed oxides. Some oxides remain as which contain two simple oxide, two normal oxides. Like तुम देखो कि Fe3O4, तुम पता है मैग्नेटिक ऑक्साइड Fe3O4, एक्चुअली it contains FeO and Fe2O3. FeO, ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. Similarly, your Pb3O4 contains PbO2, 2PbO. That is Pb3O4. Mn3O4 is also there. Mn3O4. Mn3O4, 2MnO, MnO2. ये होता है. So these are called mixed oxides. So this is all about oxides. Next we will be studying ozone. Ozone.